ready to ditch the drag-and-drop limitations and unlock the true potential of your Wix website. We're diving into Wix Velo, a full-stack development platform that lets you add custom code and create truly dynamic web experiences. First, activate developer mode located in the top menu. This unveils a whole new level of control. A coding panel will appear at the bottom. This is your gateway to writing JavaScript directly into your website, opening up a world of possibilities beyond the standard Wix features. Let's start with a simple example. Select the element you'd like to interact with using Velo. You can write code to change its text, color, or behavior based on user actions or other triggers. But Velo doesn't stop there. You can also connect to external APIs, pulling in data from other websites and services to create truly interactive and dynamic content. From creating custom forms and databases to building entire web applications, Velo empowers you to push the boundaries of what's possible with Wix. So go beyond drag and drop and unlock the full power of your website with Wix Velo.